Hey guys, this is part 3 where I'm showing how I'm modeling this stylized beauty. In this part I'm starting with the nails, and the way how I did them in Zbrush, I simply masked the finger part, tried to give it a shape of the nail and then extracted it. After extraction I fixed the shape a little bit and was duplicating it to the other fingers. After that I jumped in Blender, and first thing that I noticed, that model was very large, and if you want to have realistic renders in the end, you normally want to fix the size of your model according to the real world scale. So I decided to fix it, simply created a cube and scaled it down. I adjusted the height of the cube at around 170 centimeters. Next up, I have found some references of female shoes, dropped them in the scene and started making basic box modeling over the picture. Of course, I wanted it to be as clean as possible, so I was trying to have polygons more or less same size. Overall, here is not much things to comment. What I was mainly doing, selecting the vertices, extruding them, rotating, scaling where needed, and trying to match the shape. In this part I'm not going to make those straps because I will have to also fix the feet of the model, because right now it's, you see, it's flat-footed, and I'm just trying to more or less match the shoes to her feet, and then I'm going to jump back into Zbrush and fix her feet to fit the shoes now. That, I don't know if this was the best decision, but that's how I decided to go. And I started modeling her without any concept art, and I'm still not sure where I will come with her in the end, and that's why I didn't know in the beginning that she will be wearing these kind of shoes, and even I didn't know will she be wearing shoes at all, or will she be or will she have no shoes at all. So I was adjusting during modeling. And while I'm modeling the shoes, I just wanted to remind you, if you are liking this video, hit like button, and that will help to promote my video and the channel, and that will motivate me a lot to work more on the videos. Also, if you have any questions that you don't understand something what I was doing in the videos, feel free to ask in the comments below. And since this channel is not big yet, I have possibility to answer every question, so I'll be more than happy to try to help you. Alright, the shoes part is over, and I jumped back in Zbrush, and as I said, I'm trying to match the shape of the feet to the shoes that I modeled. Not sure if that was the best decision, but it is what it is. I'm simply masking and moving the parts of her feet and sculpting those weird parts that left out. And when I finished working on the feet shape, I started fixing the fingers to make them more realistic. I was just moving them and placing them not in a straight way, so they would look more interesting. And started making nails using just the same way as I was making nails for the hand fingers. Simply masking, sculpting and duplicating. Next up, I switched to the face and tried to work a bit more on the details of the face. I wanted to make face features a little bit more expressive, so I concentrated a little bit more on the eyes, nose and lips. But before that, I fixed the topology of the body model a little bit using zero measure and projecting the cleaner topology to the alt sculpt. And we're coming here to the end of the video of the part 3. I hope you liked the result. Just to mention, in the next part I'm going to make retopology of the body in Blender using native Blender tools. But for now I'm leaving you guys, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.